Would you mind dash a cup of tea with me? উত্তর B. Having. Would you mind having a cup of tea with me? I absolutely refuse to put dash with that sort of conduct. উত্তর A. Up. I absolutely refuse to put up with that sort of conduct. I absolutely refuse to put up with that sort of conduct. The government must dash all resources of energy. উত্তর D. Harness. The government must harness all resources of energy. The government must harness all resources of energy. Dash with inexperienced climbers and dash with waste, Mount Everest is in danger. Answer D. Overcrowded এবং polluted. Overcrowded with inexperienced climbers and polluted with waste, Mount Everest is in danger. Overcrowded with inexperienced climbers and polluted with waste, Mount Everest is in danger. This book is a useful dash to our library. Answer D. Addition. This book is a useful addition to our library. This book is a useful addition to our library. The victim applied for and was dash legal aid by government. Uttor B. Granted. The victim applied for and was granted legal aid by government. The victim applied for and was granted legal aid by government. While dash in the morning I saw them playing. Answer walking. While walking in the morning I saw them playing. While walking in the morning I saw them playing. Without dash chemical analysis, it is hard to say dash what is about the food that caused the school children to fall ill. Answer D. Performing এবং exactly. Without performing a chemical analysis, it is hard to say exactly what is about the food that caused the school children to fall ill. Without performing a chemical analysis, it is hard to say exactly what is about the food that caused the school children to fall ill. A cure for all diseases is known as. Answer C. Paneca. A cure for all diseases is known as Paneca. New research shows walking may ease chronic low back pain, just dash physical therapy. Answer A. As like. New research shows walking may ease chronic low back pain, just as like physical therapy. Arif is always admired for his great political dash. Answer D. Acumen. Arif is always admired for his great political acumen. Acumen অর্থ হচ্ছে অন্তর্দৃষ্টি বা দূরদর্শিতা. Arif did not properly utilize the time as he went on dash on one point alone. Answer D. Deliberating. Arif did not properly utilize the time as he went on deliberating on one point alone. As soon as he saw me, he dashed away. Answer B. Fled. As soon as he saw me, he fled away. There were dash views on the issue of winding up the company. Answer D. Divergent. There were divergent views on the issue of winding up the company. There were divergent views on the issue of winding up the company. Dash opportunity comes responsibility. Answer D. With. With opportunity comes responsibility. With opportunity comes responsibility. Few dash can cause shadows on economists and politicians like a rise in the dash of fuel. Answer B. Trends এবং cost. Few trends can cause shadows on economists and politicians like a rise in the cost of fuel. Few trends can cause shadows on economists and politicians like a rise in the cost of fuel. We had a dash of cold weather in November. Answer C. Spill. We had a spill of cold weather in November. We had a spill of cold weather in November. Don't mention anything unless you dash for. Answer are asked. Don't mention anything unless you are asked for. Don't mention anything unless you are asked for. Dash man standing in front of you is a doctor. Answer B. The man standing in front of you is a doctor. Rupa is dash taller of the two sisters. Answer A. The. Rupa is the taller of the two sisters. Rupa is the taller of the two sisters. The poet had acquaintance dash the renowned writers of his time. Answer D. With. The poet had acquaintance with the renowned writers of his time. The poet had acquaintance with the renowned writer of his time. A synonym of prolific is productive. A synonym of prolific is productive. A fire dash out in the slum last night. Answer A. Broke. A fire broke out in the slum last night. A fire broke out in the slum last night. Dash the year 2014 and 2019. I was a student of the University of Dhaka. Answer C. Between. Between the year 2014 and 2019, I was a student of the University of Dhaka. Between the year 2014 and 2019, I was a student of the University of Dhaka. Are you sure that you dash the killer before? Answer B. Had seen. Are you sure that you had seen the killer before? Are you sure that you had seen the killer before? I have enrolled at dash European University. Answer A. I have enrolled at a European university. What is the antonym of segregate? Answer B. Combine. What is the antonym of segregate? Combine. Segregate অর্থ হচ্ছে বিচ্ছিন্ন করা বা পৃথক করা, আর কম্বাইন অর্থ একত্র বা দলবদ্ধ করা বা একত্র করা। Good morning, I dash see the manager, please. Answer D. Would like to. Good morning, I would like to see the manager, please. Good morning, I would like to see the manager, please. What is the noun form of the word differ? Answer B. Deferment. What is the noun form of the word differ? Deferment. What is the verb form of the word acquisition? Answer C. acquire. What is the verb form of the word acquisition is acquire. The criminal dash for murder. Answer B was hanged. The criminal was hanged for murder. The criminal was hanged for murder. Would you mind dash the door? Answer C, opening. Would you mind opening the door? Would you mind opening the door? My grandmother prefers dash Rabindra songs. Answer B, to listening. My grandmother prefers to listening Rabindra songs. My grandmother prefers to listening Rabindra songs. When I dash money, I will buy a car. Answer D, get. When I get money, I will buy a car. When I get money, I will buy a car. If I had another pen, I dash you. Answer B, could help. If I had another pen, I could help you. A lot of money dash in the robbery. Answer D, was stolen. A lot of money was stolen in the robbery. A lot of money was stolen in the robbery. They as well as he dash incorrect. Answer B, are. They as well as he are incorrect. A basket of eggs dash sold. Answer A, was. A basket of eggs was sold. There was somebody walking behind us. I thought we dash. Answer B, were being followed. There was somebody walking behind us. I thought we were being followed. The wealthy dash not always happy. Answer C, are. The wealthy are not always happy. The war criminal was. The war criminal was. Answer B, hanged. The war criminal was hanged. Yesterday we had dash 20 minutes for a bus. Answer C, to wait. Yesterday we had to wait 20 minutes for a bus. Yesterday we had to wait 20 minutes for a bus. The train left after I dashed the station. Answer B, had reached. The train left after I had reached the station. The train left after I had reached the station.